Hi, I'm going to give a demo of Messente's new WhatsApp template management API. This is a way to programmatically manage your WhatsApp templates rather than having to go into the Meta portal to the template manager there. We think this will be very, very useful, particularly for our B2B software vendor customers. So those looking to serve their own customers who want to send WhatsApps from their own brand, so from their own WhatsApp business account. This gives you a very easy way to get them set up very quickly without lots of offline manual work. So let me show you how it works. If we first of all start within the Meta portal looking at my template manager, I'm just going to confirm I haven't got any order management templates yet. So that's the one I want to create. I've then got a query set up here going to the new API, and we're going to create an order confirmation template. I've got my message set up, so it's saying thank you for your order. It's got a couple of variables to show the customer name and their order confirmation number. And then there's a couple of action buttons as well for the customer to either call us up or go through a URL support. So I'm then going to send that. That's then come back saying that that message has been approved and created. So if we then go back to our portal, I'll hit refresh on here. We've now got our order confirmation template is showing there. Now, also with this new API, you can do things like retrieve a list of templates. So here I've just sent off the query saying, give me all the templates for that same WhatsApp business account. And it's then going to list all those down just like that. Also within the API, you've got all the documentation described here within our documentation portal. So you can retrieve an individual template. You could also update an individual template and delete it. So you can really do all the actions that you would on a template within the portal right from here. The final part then of this new feature is also a way to create a button within a software product for that end customer to click to connect their WhatsApp account to your Messente account in order to start this process of sending messages. So we have this documented within our knowledge base. It lets you create really a white label button. You've got the format within here. As part of the format, you can customize the title, which is shown here as My App, so you can brand it with your own brand, and you can also add your own description to the page as well. You can also add a callback URL so that you're notified whenever one of your customers uses this and signs up for WhatsApp, and you can then use that to trigger follow-on processes. So what this will end up doing is giving you a button that you can put within your product, a bit like the connect button on our senders page. When they click that, they'll open up to your version of this with your branding on it. They can then click the login with Facebook button and start the process of connecting their Meta account to your Messente account to enable them to start sending messages. That's when you could then trigger to start creating templates for them. Really hope this is useful. Would love to know what you think. Please let us know.